Today on the menu, the best homemade hamburger helper. You can put it on rice, you can put it on pasta, you can even make a sandwich out of it. Start by heating some oil up in a pan. Then add your hamburger. Then we're going to let the meat brown for a minute. Then add a healthy amount of pepper and some salt. Once your meat has had enough time to brown on one side, go ahead and flip it over. To soak up the grease, we're going to add some onions and then some garlic. Once the other side has had enough time to brown, go ahead and start chopping it up. Now it's time for our cream cheese. Go ahead and thoroughly mix this in. Then add our sour cream. Mix this in, and then we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. Now it's time for the peas and carrots. Thoroughly mix these in and give time for the flavors to meld together. And now it's ready to throw on top of some rice or some pasta. Still hungry? Check out my oh so simple and delicious pesto bowls.